Pre-seasoned cast iron skillet 3-piece chef set, 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, oven-safe cookware 3 heat-resistant holders, indoor and outdoor use, grill, stovetop, black. Precision heat distribution. These cast iron skillets have a smooth finish to help provide even heat distribution for improved cooking and frying, even on grills, stoves or induction cooktops. True cooking versatility. The Cuisinel cast iron skillet pan can be used for frying, baking, grilling, broiling, braising, and sautéing meats, vegetables and more. Superior craftsmanship. Each all-purpose fajita skillet is crafted with seasoned cast iron that can outlast years of regular cooking and washing for long-term reliability. Easy to clean and maintain, cast iron cookware should be hand-washed with warm water and restored with natural oils. That means no soap or dishwasher use. 1-year money-back guarantee. Every Cuisinel product is backed by a 1-year, no-hassle guarantee to ensure your total satisfaction. Purchase risk-free. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.